channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to go over 5 profitable business ideas in demand for 2025. I'm going to be going over the Forbes article that I found, and Melissa Houston is the contributor, So the link will be down below if you are interested in reading this article yourself. I thought this would just be a cool conversation to have and to bring to the channel. It is a new year. A lot of people are interested in different ways to increase their revenue, different ways to structure their business, and even different business ideas and ventures to begin. So I'm going to go over this, some of the ideas, the 5 ideas that are listed in this article. Before we get started though, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed. If you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will be alerted every time I upload a video. And I am consistent on this channel, uploading different business topics and different tips and resources. So if you are interested in starting your business, or if you're an entrepreneur or even have an entrepreneurial mindset, be sure to subscribe. This is the channel for you. So the first idea that is listed is healthcare services for seniors. So it reads, with an aging population and the increasing demand for senior care, businesses that provide healthcare services for seniors are not just profitable, but essential. The global senior care industry is expected to grow exponentially as baby boomers age. Services such as home health care, assisted living facilities, and specialized senior care centers are in high demand. It says, what's profitable? Many seniors want to stay at home for as long as they can, and that creates opportunities for home care services. Offering specialized care such as dementia care allows entrepreneurs to serve a niche with specific needs. And then it also goes over how to get started. So it talks about you can start a home healthcare business at a low cost with gaining the proper licensing. Startup costs should be manageable if you start small with just a few clients and grow your team over time. So that is one profitable business idea that is listed. I don't really know much about the home healthcare industry because I haven't worked in it. I haven't studied it. But if you know anything about the home healthcare industry, link some of your experiences down below. If you were interested in maybe starting a business in that area, link some ideas or information down below as well. I would love to read it myself. And I'm sure people watching this video would be interested to hear your input as well. I want this to be like a safe space and a community for us entrepreneurs. So feel free to leave a comment anytime you want to. It does help. It helps a lot. So the next idea that's listed is sustainable products and services. So sustainability is an important requirement for many consumers. Businesses that focus on providing eco-friendly offers are thriving into 2025. From biodegradable packaging to renewable energy solutions and ethical fashion, sustainability is driving consumers' choices. It says, what's profitable? Consumers, especially younger generations, are willing to pay more for products that align with their values. This shift toward environmentally friendly options has opened the door for new businesses to thrive by offering green alternatives in various industries, from fashion to energy. So I'm just thinking about the industry that I'm in, like the hair industry. With my hair business, I could look into maybe offering certain hair care products that are made, like all natural hair care products that are made from eco-friendly products and like just all around, what's another word for natural? Organic products maybe. I can look into offering some products like that. I have been wanting to get more knowledge on different products that I need to use that are healthier options than what I have been using. I wasn't too big on reading labels. Like if I liked a certain soap, for example, or a certain hair product, I wouldn't go and read for a specific, even if I read the labels, I wouldn't know certain keywords to look out for. But now with TikTok and social media, just in general, the curtains are kind of pulled back, and there's a lot more accessible information on what products are dangerous and what products have certain chemicals in them that aren't safe. And so I do agree with that if you can find a way to incorporate more organic and natural products into your business, or if you can create your own business selling organic and natural products or eco-friendly products, I do believe that you will have success with that. There is a market for it. The third option is tech consulting for AI integration. It reads, artificial intelligence AI is revolutionizing businesses across industries, but not every company has to know how to integrate AI effectively. Consulting firms that specialize in AI integration and automation are in high demand, helping businesses streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and make data-driven decisions. So AI, yes, AI is another growing industry. It's huge, right? So if you can do anything with AI integration, website design, different photography and filming, like what I want to say, what is the word? The word's right on the top of my tongue. Different, what companies? It's like for photography, filming, editing, any field where you're going to be editing and incorporating AI, I believe you would see a great success. Even when I was doing website creation before, like AI was as popular as it is today, there was still a demand for like certain chats to be implemented or added to websites. I remember wanting to add a certain chat feature on, like a pop-up feature on my website when I was with GoDaddy, and it wasn't available at that time. And that prompted my decision to go over to Shopify because Shopify was a little bit more high tech. So tech consulting for AI integration also is an industry that I think would be very profitable. The fourth one is digital marketing agencies. So the demand for effective digital marketing continues to grow. Companies need help with search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media strategy, content marketing to stay competitive in the crowded online marketplace. That is so true. Digital marketing agencies have been, I can't think of a time in my time of being in business that they weren't needed. Like when I first decided I wanted to start a hair business, I remember calling different agencies and trying to schedule appointments for website design for different advertising outlets. And ultimately, I found some different ways to go about advertising, but those companies were always like eager to help. And it seemed like they always had a stream of business flowing in. I mean, even when I do my consultations, I know that people a lot of times continue to come back. Sometimes they join the mentorship, and it's a really lucrative area to get in. And the last one is pet services and products. So with pet ownership skyrocketing, the pet industry has become a gold mine. Businesses catering to pets are growing rapidly as pet owners are increasingly willing to spend on high quality care and products for their furry companions. So like organic food is listed, different luxury like clothing items for pets. Anything along the pet sector or outline is projected to be profitable in 2025. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye.